Video.
Okay, open your mouth. Oh, you want more? He's trying to like shove it in his mouth.
He looks angry there.
He likes it.
Hi, buddy boy. Let him eat the stuff that's in there first.
You have to swallow that one.
Not so much, Carla. Not so much. Not so much.
He's swallowing. I can hear him swallowing it.
Yeah?
He's trying to eat my food. Is that good? Let go.
He wants to be independent. Oh, it's gonna come back out. It's gonna come back out.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, buddy. Hi, you like that? Is that good? Is that good stuff? He's like, look. Staring at it. Look at the hands go. Look at the hands go.
He opens his mouth. It's funny.
He doesn't know what to do with it yet, though.
He swallows it.
Does he? Not even 5 months old yet, and he's already eating cereal.
Where's 5 months?
What's the date today? July the 4th?
Yeah.
4th of July for the Americans. 2009.
So much for waiting for 6 months. He really likes it.
That's my messy boy.
Okay. Stop video now.